Hello and welcome to another Parts Factory installation tutorial video. We're out of the shed today, we're out in the wild. The reason is we've got access to about 6 or 7 different cars so that we're able to do a whole bunch of tutorial videos for you guys on YouTube. So yeah, that's why we're not in the factory today. Excuse the noise. Today we're going to be working on this 2013 to 2016 Holden Cruze. Now they have the purge valve that basically causes an engine light on these Holden Cruzes. It can also cause rough idling, stalling under acceleration, etc, etc, etc. So if you're having any problems with your Cruze, this would probably be the first place to look. Very, very common that these break on these later model Cruzes. Very straightforward job. It's literally going to take us about 2 minutes. But hey, it's still always good to watch tutorials like this just in case there's anything to look out for, etc, etc. Guys, if you are chasing this part, we do have them available on our website for $58.30 with free express post Australia-wide. Compared to Holden at about $350, that's obviously some incredible savings. Alrighty guys, let's get into the tutorial. Alrighty guys, your purge valve solenoid is just here. Obviously, these are your 2 vacuum hoses. You got one plug and then it mounts on a little rubber grommet. Literally pulls off so easy. This is the one we're going to be putting back on the car. This is that one I was talking about before, the Parts Factory equivalent. Obviously it just goes smack bang there. And yeah, this will comes with a 3-year warranty. So if you are interested in that, I'll put the link in the top left corner. Right, we're going to start with the main plug. Literally just press down on the plug like that, pull it to the side. You can even just tuck it out of the way so it's not getting in your way, and you just pull it off like so. Now you've got this section on the left, which is just depress that black part of it, and you can just pull, hopefully pull it off just like so. This one's a little bit more complicated, but nothing to fear. You got this blue tab, just use a flathead screwdriver and just pop down on that tab so that you can even pop it out into your hand just like so. Stick it up out of the way, and now you got this white tab. To get that out, you just put your flathead in till it pops up slightly like so, and you can just hold it and just get your flathead in and just pull it up. Now you don't want to move this too much because you'll actually crack this hose and you'll be up for more cost. Sometimes it might be a little stiff. Pretty tough. Yeah, so just make sure that this white tab comes all the way out and just stops right at the top. The white tab has to be all the way up to the top in order to pull that out. Alright guys, let's take our replacement. Obviously it's the same thing in reverse. Plug faces this direction. You just push that on like so. And then push your white tabs down. Locks into place like so. Of course, you've got your little blue locking tab which just clicks into place. Just makes everything secure. It can never fall out. You've got the little electrical plug. And then of course the last vacuum hose here, you just push it on and slide it into position. Okay guys, all done. Yep, it really was that easy. If the reason that you started this job was because of an engine light on the dash, you can now disconnect your battery terminal, leave it off for a minute, put it back on, and hopefully when you fire up the car, the engine light will be gone. Guys, if you have appreciated this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so that we know it's something you're interested in. And if you are interested in this type of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel. You never know when you might need another installation tutorial video such as this one. Guys, I'll put the link for this product in the bottom of this video so you can just click on that, head onto the website, check it out. Hey, it might save you a few more bucks. Guys, my name's Lucas Strabs. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.